This man spent his time in this dunya in the masjid praying and reading Quran, and he died upon it. And the story doesn't just end there. Subhanallah, there were these 5 boys that everyone assumed were this man's kids, but they weren't. But because of how much he used to teach them and remind them and tell them to come to the masjid, people assumed that these were actually his kids. And when he passed away, these 5 young men whom he raised, already consistently attending the masjid because of him, went to the Shaykh of the masjid and told him that whatever opportunity arises to help people in need or to help the masjid, they will not delay, and they will take initiative in order to honor this man who they now refer to as their father. Brothers and sisters, when you use your time to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when you use it to teach others their deen and to help them out with true sincerity, wallah, it adds barakah to your life and to your time. Take advantage of your time in this dunya to build yourself and higher your rank in the akhirah.